Hello, folks, and welcome back to Adventures in Nodeline. I am streaming again today, so I'm very happy, and I'm happy every time I'm streaming, to be honest. So things are pretty good, and yay, we are back with our background rock music. I hope you like it. So yay, so yay. What do you think? So I'm updating my stuff. Cool. So, look, we are here. Oh, folks, hello. Hi. Hi, Hapta Mood. Hello. Hi, folks. Very happy to have you all here. And cool. Let's move the studio mode. Things seems up and pretty much stable today. So, see all green. Bitrate is green. Everything is green. And everything is fine. I don't know. Hello, hi, folks. A lot of people joining. I'm very happy, everybody. Hello, hi. So, did you know? Have you tried Platformatic? Okay, yet you should. I'm the CTO here, so you can guys go to Platformatic Dev, and try it out. So anyway, sorry, quick spam moment. Cool, and yay. So, what should we do today? I'm keep doing the same thing I was doing before, which is doing some TypeScript work. So I am going into, we were developing at databases, and we were implementing this concept of a SQLite pool, and it was not working. Well, it was working, but there was a test that was failing, so I did not finish it or something. So we did not finish it. So I don't know. What do you think? If you have any questions related to anything Node.js specific, just ask me. Okay. So, and yeah, that would be it. So that would be it. If you have any questions, pop them in the chat as usual. So it's great. Cool. Let's start. So, okay, we're starting now. Okay, we are live-ish. Okay, cool. Oh, wait a second. I would just do. Oh no, sorry. And let me fix this. Yay! My co-founder keep calling me now, so whatever what they want, I don't know. We'll see. And I just need to put it as do not disturb. I'm so sorry. Oh, let me see. When do we say scale plugin independently? Where did we say? Interesting. Oh, so okay, so this is actually a very good question. Okay, so you can one of the key tenets of Platformatic and Fastify 2 is that you can develop your code as plugins, okay, as Fastify plugins, and when you do, given that they are can be completely encapsulated, when you don't like them anymore, you can completely extract them in their own services. That's it, really. So that's what it is. And this is not clear. So I'm actually taking a note. And this is actually a very good feedback. Thank you very much. Okay. Thanks. Cool. Okay. Let's go back into my into add databases. Okay, so git status. Oh, yay, we didn't. Vim, okay. And here we have the stuff. Here's this. So I could just yarn test node. I think it was, oh, node dash v. And the npm I yarn dash g. Okay, yarn test node. Cool, okay. Exact node service means microservices. Yes, it means microservices, exactly. Whoa, a lot of people joined up. Wow, thank you. Okay, we are running tests in this add databases code base. Hello, hi utilizer. Whenever I see somebody with a name that it ends with dad and r, I remember the there was a project called Minimizer, I think, or something like that. I don't know. There was some project that was ZR at the end. I don't remember. Anyway, cool. I think it was something. Anyway. So, okay, this is failing. Okay, this is totally failing, and I don't know why. So there's a failing test, and I don't even remember what the failing test do. Hello, modernizer. Yeah, modernizer. So it was modernizer. Yeah. This is yeah. You see this guy? Yeah. Oh yeah, I've used this guy quite a lot. Yep. Look, it's. Oh my goodness. Who created this? Richard Polarish. Yeah. I remember. It's look like people that I know. At least one people that I know. Cool. Anyway. So here, let's look at the tests. So limited. Here's a test. This is a test. The problem is that this is never calling resolve, and the test fails. Essentially, if I understand the problem. So this is console.error in the pool at line 56. Okay. So let me remove this so you can probably watch this better. Okay. So line 56. Oh, why doesn't it support MongoDB? You mean Platformatic? Abtamud. It doesn't support MongoDB because MongoDB does not have a schema. So because MongoDB does not have a schema, how could we create a schema from a schemaless database? Well, wait for it. I have the answer. It's mostly that I didn't implement the thing. So if you look, if you go in here, you go in MongoDB, and support from MongoDB and Platformatic DB, and this is written out to do this stuff. So if we might do it in the stream later on or another time, like this is, but this is hard. Okay, it's hard. It's not super simple. But we could. The typical bit is there are parts that you need to have an existing database to sample. So you can infer a database schema from those objects. Now, I don't really necessarily like that too much. So I don't know. This is the fundamental problem why I'm procrastinating implementing this feature. Cool. Okay, so let's go back here. So this, okay, no, this is throwing here. And wait a second. So oh, this should not throw. Interesting. Okay, so this should not throw. It's passing here. So let's look at what a database says related to my test. Utilities, connection pool. Oh, we have a release. Okay. So, so we have a release. So what do you mean give 1 day for demo on MongoDB usage with Platformatic? Sorry, I don't understand the question. So, okay. So what we need to do is, I think we need something. We need an abort method here. Oh, wait. No, not database connection. It's transaction implementation. Okay. Well, this is not true. Not true because it's rollback. So we have the rollback. So this is a transaction implementation. So, okay. I need to say, so the problem is this unreleased connection. I need to abort the transaction, essentially. That's what I need to do. And here, so when we do this we need to do something different, okay? So we need probably an abort signal. Yeah, this is a good question. Why add database instead of connects? Okay, let's show you. Let me show you because it's so you have a database and you have next. Connects is a great library, by the way, but it builds you the queries. Where is it the query that you build? Okay, it builds you the query in this way. Okay, it's a query builder, connector, and so on. My point is that typically you don't know what those things would do to your code, to your database. You most of the time want to have full control. I'm a true believer that developers should know SQL very well. If you're using a SQL database, if you're using MongoDB, you should know the MongoDB driver very well. It doesn't matter. Okay, you need to know the language that you're going to use to query your data. Okay, you need to know the command that you're sending, the lower level interface of your database to use your database as its best. So the problem for that is I don't want to shield anything that shields the user from raw SQL is not something that I like so much. So I really want to have essentially not this stuff. I am in what we are doing. We are using a database for these bits of stuff here. We are only using this. I'm only using this part here and the normalization for it. And I really like these concatenations. And the reason it does, this is very powerful. It's because it handles the prepare a statement for me. It handles injections. It protects me from everything essentially. So pretty much that's the reason I really like this. Before that, I used another library called @near from /SQL, which more or less were the same. So this is okay, const tx. Okay, so the point, so the reason why this does not work is because we need an abort signal. Okay, so I think we need an abort signal to signal an abort for this. But how do I use an abort signal? So I don't even remember. Abort. No, where is? Why is not here? Maybe in events. No, globals. Okay. So we need an abort controller. And yep. This makes sense. Yep. Okay. So Okay. So when we do our transaction implementation, we need to have a signal, I think, or an abort. So no, I think we need the controller here. Or wait a second. What do we need? Yeah, we need signal. Oh, no, the signal. Yeah. We need the abort signal. We just need the signal. Aborted. Yeah, it's a sig. It's in the signal. Which will be aborted in delay microseconds. Yeah, that's exactly what we need. So, and this is an abort signal. And this signal, and we need an abort signal here. And why this is complaining? Oh yeah, okay. If yeah, yeah, okay. Okay, so basically we are throwing if it's aborted within the thing. Okay, cool. Okay, so okay, and here we need to yeah, it's not exactly how I would implement this thing, because this is returning. I probably don't even need this. Sorry about this. I probably don't even need the signal. Do I need the signal? So okay, let me go through the problem that we have that I'm trying to fix right now. So I have this implementation of the class that is a transaction, okay? And whether the pool control has a timer that is scheduled to abort that transaction after a certain amount of time. I just not need that. I just need to say aborted. This is a thing. This is aborted, okay? And this is a boolean, okay? And I don't need this. And if this aborted, and yeah, and this I'm just doing. Okay. Oh, gosh, really? No, it's lacking it. Okay, perfect. And maybe. So we have this aborted. Okay, I am not going to do that. I'm just going to call this in this way. Sorry. I can't stand that. Okay. And okay, so well, it's probably more TypeScripty to do that, but this is not valid JavaScript, I presume. Anyway, so we have this thing, and okay, now we need to flip. Yeah, but I want to set it from the outside too, so let's just do it. let's just do it that way. Okay, let's put it aborted like that. Oh, I don't care. It's public. Okay, good. Okay, so this is aborted and I can set it from the outside. Okay. Now, what I get here. Okay, let's see what I get here. I know I need the freaking thing though. I need the signal. I really need the signal. Come on. Okay. I am going to iterate on this design for quite some time now. Okay, this is not. It did not go through. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is a database connection implementation. And rollback. Yeah. Yeah, database connection implementation because it's a sync database connection. And okay, you folks know something about TypeScript that I don't know. How do I tell an object that I want to add a random property into it that is not defined in the object? Like, how can I let TypeScript happy when I do that? Because unfortunately, I need to get this transaction at that over there to get it fixed. Like, I need to do, okay, what I need to do is here, I need to create a new controller, new abort controller, okay? And here, I need to do, instead of this, I need await promise race and once signal abort, then okay. Why this is not happy? Oh yeah, I need another thing at the bottom, at the top. Wait, no, I need this here. Okay, let me see. Let me see the full line. Why this is not happy? So, okay, this is correct. This is correct. Oh, once is missing. Oh, okay. And then once is missing. Import once from events. Oh, it's probably not that. Oh, no, this is correct. Okay. Promise race does not have this. Ah, okay, cool. No, I am correct. So the TypeScript is correct. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so oh sure, the pushator. I will totally review that. I just want to finish this. Then we're doing a little bit of stuff. Just make me. Ah, yeah, but this is not going to work. So anyway. So okay, here it does that. But then I need to attach this controller to the connection, I think. Okay. So connection controller. Now, I need okay, folks, this is a question for you. How do I get TypeScript be happy with this thing? Because it's not part of database connection. And where is database connection? Oh, this is, yeah, it's an interface database connection. Yeah, I truly don't. Well, I know what I can do. Okay, let's do at ts ignore. Cool, happy days. I fixed it. Okay. As all pros will tell me, you do TypeScript with a lot of ts ignore in it. Cool. So now in no, you need to tell me how to fix this. How to fix that? Remove that ts ignore. And however, in here now, I should have sorry, in the on release here, okay, I should have controller, okay, and of course this is dash ignore, okay. So if controller abort. Now, the question is, would it work or would it not work? What do you think? Would it work? Will it not work? What do you think? Let me know. Really like the music? Yeah, it's passing. Amazing. Huh? I did it. Cool. Now, for all of you that are TypeScript experts, how do I avoid the ts ignore thingy? Oh, wait a second. It's wait. I think I can improve this a little bit. Once. No. Yeah, I can. No, okay. Cool. Wait, let me just see, look at this. And let's do, I think this can be improved slightly. So I think I could do that. Let me see. Oh, I'm going to open a PR. So, yeah, perfect. What? The database connection is not open. Okay, this is hard. I didn't expect this error. 113. 113. Oh. Okay. Okay. This is. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is trusted. Getter. No, this is not. Okay. This is correct. But I need to do new error aborted. Transaction aborted. Okay. Yeah, if you can figure it out, let me know. Let's feed. After the stream, I think we are open a PR soon. I just need to compile the docs. And then we need to compile the docs. And then once that's done, we can open them up. So cool. Okay. So I think this is why this is complaining. Sorry. Why this is complaining? I know. Finally, my TypeScript expert has arrived. So, Talevo, I have exactly the question for you. And I am just attaching a random property on this on an object. How can I remove this tsignore to make it happy, to make TypeScript happy? Can I cast it to something else, or can I don't know. Just a second, folks. Sorry. I got my headphones got stuck. They're free now. Okay. Oh, really? You asked the same question, Jay Summers, and did you get an answer for it? This is a question for you. Did you get an answer? Because, I still, I'm pulling it up. Oh, amazing. Okay, so, okay, but I don't think. Okay, let me see. So these I'm disposing it. Connection dispose, but do I? Yeah, okay. Proper totally close. Yeah. Oh, wow. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, but this is not exactly what I need, though. So my problem is that I'm just randomly attaching a property to an object that I don't have control of. So maybe I should just do class sync database connection with controller extends sync database connection, but it looks like too much, and this is just another controller. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, sorry, this is, sorry, where is sync database connection? It's just an interface. Oh, okay, interesting. So if it's just an interface, I can implement. Okay, no, extends then. Oh, look, I'm just, is declare, but never used. Okay, so here I'm just with controller. Okay, and now, no. Yeah, because this is not correct. And I need to do, no. Cool. Yeah, look, it's, it works. Okay, I removed the TS ignore. Okay. Can I abstract away the get connection? As any is the solution. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. But as any is the same as TS ignore, right? So anyway, cool. Anyway, I think I resolved things, so I am somewhat happy. And look, I did. I did the J Sumner's thing. I did my own interface, and look. And can I abstract away the get connection? Where is the get connection? Oh, here. I yeah, no. This is the abstraction that deals with that. So cool. So I remove the TS ignore. It's doing that, and look, I am pretty happy about things. Oh, I'm super happy. This is actually, it's a lot of fun. I am. It reminds me of my day of doing Java. It has this nice satisfaction of creating userless interfaces, essentially. It gives it's addictive, I presume. So expect e.message transaction aborted. Okay. E is of type unknown as error. No. How do I type? Oh, I need to do error. Okay. May I? Oh. And how can I do that? E as error. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I know totally. Well, this is fun, right? Well, technically, I didn't. It's still inherit from that object, so I'm just creating a more restricted version. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I know. But it's I broke it in a different way, and TypeScript is happy, and I'm not using tsignore. So git gssm git. Oh, gssm. Okay, and it's support. What do we support? Support at database. Support abort a transaction after a given amount of time. Git push. Okay. Now we need to open a draft PR. And so at databases, so let's go into Forbes list day at database repo, and let's compare this thing. add SQLite pool module. This module supports the same interface of database SQLite, but it's based on SQLite sync. Databases SQLite sync. The added benefit of this approach is that it supports multiple high-level transactions on top of the same internal, on the same SQLite database on disk. SQLite allows multiple read transactions on the same data to proceed on parallel. This is needed for some feature inside Fabpromatic. This is a good question. Well, I want to switch between from using the SQLite module to use Better SQLite. However, Better SQLite is fully synchronous, and I need support for an async interface for GraphQL resolution. Therefore, I need this essentially, and that's more or less why it's all about interfaces and that kind of stuff. So yes, SQLite allows multiple read transactions on the same data to proceed in parallel. Given multiple connections to the same data. Yay! You know, it's why? Yeah, why you're stuck on connection pooling for SQLite? Makes total sense. So here is this. This is a transaction command, okay? And it's SQLite support multiple simultaneous read transaction coming from separate database connection. No, it's not. Possibly in separate thread or processes, but only one simultaneous write transactions. So if you want to create a transaction to only read a certain block of value, you can. Does it make sense? Look, it's written here. I can actually put this in there. What do you think maybe? Why maybe, James? Yeah, it's just one file, but it supports multiple concurrent access. So we can create a connection pool, essentially. Yes, but it also supports multiple things running at the same time. So, and if you create a transaction, yes, it's just reads, but it supports it's just one transaction. It's just one write transaction. Yeah, of course. Yes. Ultimately, I need a transaction support with an async. Now, that makes sense if, for example, you're starting to do, a service call within a transaction or something like that. That will be way more helpful and so on and so forth. So, Anyway, the alternative is to implement the lock above, but why not? We can do that. So that's the gist. And it was fun to do some TypeScript every now and then. Seems pretty cool. Seems a small PR. Okay. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's the gist. Yeah, seems about cool. Seems cool, right? Yeah. Seems perfect. Hmm? Okay. Yeah. I don't expect this to be massive, okay? I truly don't. To be honest, I don't think many people will end up using a lot of connections. Yeah, it's database super prod already. Yeah, it's used by a lot of bit by. It's written by Forbes, and that I almost trust blindly. But he is. I don't know if you know Forbes, but is a great guy, and he is the maintainer, that one of the key maintainers of a library called Pug, and a bunch of other stuff in the past. And he's one of the old school Node people, essentially. So it's one of those people, I would say. It's yeah, nah, I would say just trust what he does. Cool. Okay, and I'll say docs are missing. Okay, and create a changelog. Okay, and where is it? SQLite. Oh, SQLite pool. It's bump the major version, I think. It's initial implementation. Hello, is Chu EI. Hello. Oh no, I just don't need that. Okay. And save changes. Cool. Did I have any changes anywhere else? Let me see. Oh yeah, I did that mean a minor change. Export database options. I need this a change. To edit change logs. It's yep. Cool. Okay. Seems nice. I need to write docs. Okay. So let's see how do we write docs in this repo. Do you like to write docs? Docs. Okay. So this is the sync. This is SQLite. Okay, so copy this pool. Okay, better SQLite 3 built on top of. Okay. By the way, this is not true technically. I just need the sync. It's not connect though. It's not called connect. It's called connect create connection pool. Okay. Database SQLite. This needs to be replaced to add databases. SQLite pool. Okay. Ooh. Okay. And here, instead of connect, okay. Cool. Ah, nice. Do you like Rust, Tallevo? Oh, cool. Do you do Rust every day? And okay. Ready for review. And my test failed. Prettier. Oh, prettier. Ah. Oh no. Prettier didn't like my code. I'm using all the software that I don't like. Okay. So prettier now. And yeah. This is an experience for me. Every time I touch this code base. Okay, prettier right. Okay. So yarn prettier right. So yarn test node. Let's see if the test still passes. Yeah, I use all my ZSH. Yeah. Cool. It's passing. Cool. Okay. Nice. Okay, here we go. Prettier. Oh no. This is not passing the tests. Why it's not passing the tests? Okay, need to check this. Now printer is passing. Okay, a few questions while this is running. Yarn or PMPM? Big time PMPM every time. Like PMPM all the way. I am a PMPM person if I can. Otherwise, it's just core NPM. So we do have nice swag, by the way, at Platformatic. So look at how nice this is. It's actually pretty nice. Cool. So tests are passing. Let's see if the tests are passing or not. Checks. Tests. Ah, okay, interesting. But the hashtag is, yeah. That should be the JavaScript thingy, the JavaScript syntax. So anyway, let's see what this tells me. Cool. This is waiting. Okay, while this is running, somebody said that there was a PR for me to review in Fastify Swagger UI, right? I think it was Utilizer. I don't know. This is the only one. A proven run. So let's look at this code. My custom title. Yeah, seems cool. Seems cool. Nice. Okay. Oh no, there is a fix that needs to be done. Okay. And this is can you please add a couple of assertions in types and yep. What PR, James? Can you please update a couple of sessions in to cover for those changes? This one? Oh. Yeah. Please revert this. I will bump it on release. Cool. And okay, this doesn't make any sense, but I am not going to complain about that. Okay, cool. We have reviewed the changes. So here we go. Now, here, this failed. Why this failed? This failed. But it shouldn't have because it's passing locally. On node 14 and node 18, it's passing locally. Why it's failing? Okay. It's complaining. Oh no. So folks, if anybody's list is watching this and want to hire somebody, James is great. So please go hire James if you can. Good luck for your interview, James. Bye. And the lint is still failing. What is this? Why is sorry. Lint, okay. So this is yarn TS lint. Okay, cool. Okay, yarn TSLint. Let's fix things. Okay. Function that return promises must be async. Okay. So, and this is line 35. And okay, cool. By the way, this makes no sense, but I'm not going to complain. Non-arrow function are forbidden. Okay. Okay. Assigning this reference to local buyer not allowed. Well, how can I fix that? Let me see. Oh yeah, so I can just go to 2. Okay, so this is line 43. Yeah. Yeah, how can I fix that? Well, technically, I could do, okay, async function star, and it's called it query stream, and I need the connection. This is just the connection and the query, yeah. And that returns me that. And yeah, return. Yeah, wait a second, and I need this bit, this block. So instead of that, I could oh, I also need the transaction here for that. So is, oh no, but I don't need this. I just need the transaction. So this is the transaction implementation. Transactional query stream. Okay, so and we do, yeah, so this is const connection. I don't care, I can just do that. Here we go. Okay, so here we have the connection, and then if transaction dot aborted, oh, so here I can just do so this and the query. This was done. Ah, yeah, look, this is, yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why I still use TSLint. And here we go in, where is the query stream? Okay, so this, we need this guy. So here is, this is query stream. And here is, we call it connection, database connection. Oh no, we don't need that. We will just got the, not the database connection, is the sync database with controller. Okay, this guy. Okay, so yeah, and we have the connection. Oh, we have the connection. Oh, wait for me. Yeah, no. We have the, we need the pull connection. Pull connection. This is a pull connection. Yeah, I totally prefer JavaScript over TypeScript. Like, no problem. Most of the time I spent doing this was dealing with TypeScript and not actually doing any work. So yeah, okay. So perfect. Okay. Now ha, let's do that. Pool get connection. Yep, this is not going to work. Yep, this is maybe pool connection. This is a promise of a pool connection. And then I need const pool connection, maybe pool connection. Okay. Why this is complaining? Oh, it's a pool connection of with controller. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay, now this should be happy. Oh, blank is empty. 1 for 1. Oh, yeah, there's nothing to do here. So it's deliberately swallow this arrow. Maybe that is happy. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, good. This passed. Now, let's see why this is not passing. So this is failing. But this test is actually passing locally. So, and why this lint is failing still? Oh no, this is just fine. Why this is passing? Test node. Yeah, maybe. Let's test. Cool. So, this is passing. Too much in line snapshot. Which one is failing? Okay. Code SQLite error. Look. Pool index test. Okay. And okay. Let me run yarn. It says up to date. Wait. Git st. What's different? Okay. Git checkout master, git pull upstream master. Okay, no. Okay. Await, expect, rejects. Yeah. Yarn test node. Let's see if it still passes. Oh, why? Sorry. Oh, no, didn't work. It's passing. Okay, let's see how the reject stuff fails. Okay. When do you plan to implement integration with MongoDB Platformatic? This is a good question. I don't know. It really depends on a lot of things. Definitely not before the summer. It could be a good summer project for me. So, if not before the summer, no, I don't think. But it's like probably within this year, but not before the summer. Okay. And okay. So if I do that to match SQLite error, let's see if it passes. It should pass everywhere. Yeah. No. Will this pass? I have no clue what I'm doing here. No. Does anybody know Jest and tell me how to fix that thing? Because I have no clue how to. Like, makes no sense. I'm probably going to watch this to match method. It's a string. To match. It's can be a registry, so I could just do. Ooh. Sorry, where I am. To match. Okay. What is the issue? The issue is that I got different errors on Ubuntu on the cloud and locally. And yeah. And I have this error that it fails with different things. And I'm just trying to see how to make this thing happy. And I have no clue how. And I'm just going to do this other method that was listed here on this thing, and hopefully that will be enough. Expect assertions. Okay. Yeah, big time. I prefer, or even the node core thing, new node core thing that we are doing. Expect assertions. 1. Okay. Okay. So okay. Then yeah, I think so. That's what I'm trying to do. SQL or Colas. No, it's called SQL. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Why? Okay. Catch E. And expect E.code to match. Cool. Okay. Oh, SQLite underscore error. Okay. Okay, let's see if that passes. Okay. And then we can pray. So, yeah, that was a good suggestion, Alevo. Thank you. And now we have a lot of things. So, we could go and make some noise against some other channel. So, I don't know. Cool. And no, well, wait a second. Why is it failing? Oh, prettier. Okay. Let's see. Yarn prettier right. Okay. Prettier. Cool. Okay. Hopefully we will be done soon. Okay. This one, what the state of this PR? Did somebody work on it yet? No. Okay, all the test passes, but there is fixes to be done. Sorry. Okay. Cool. So many issues. So many notifications. Let's see if all tests are passing. So if all tests are passing, we are kind of grand. You are so busy. Yeah, I do. I am busy, and I also find the time to do to create some good JavaScript and stream. So yeah, no, life is busy for me. SQLite pool. Okay. So when using this module, okay. Okay. Doc fix. Cool. Okay. And here we go. Hopefully it's done. Maybe. Maybe. How's the PR is doing? Yay. Let's see. So this is the PR, by the way. In case you want to join me in this journey, this is the PR that I created. Okay. 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 I really like this, to be honest. So Preacher seems happy. The build, this seems something else. Summary. Yeah, no, build. Okay. He's doing yarn build. Ooh. It's building stuff. Cool. It's running. Hopefully it will pass. Whoa. In the meanwhile, during this stream, I received 33 emails. How is even freaking possible, folks? Oh, most of these is me doing bad stuff. Cool. I received a lot of emails. Cool. Okay. How are we? Yeah, look, death by it's building. It's building. It's passing. It's passing. It's passing. Maybe it's passing. It seems it's passing. It passed. It did pass. It passed. Hooray! Okay. This should be good to go. Okay. So now I'm going to send this to my friend Forbes. So the Node.js version doing the installation. Really? Have you got links? Okay, so you have. So this is setup node. This is the latest one, 18.15. Sorry. So there is the build thing. Sorry, I don't know what you mean, Alevo. If you have links, I will be very happy to. Oh, yeah, this is fine in the sense it does an install here, and it does the build for TypeScript, verify everything is working, and then it kicks off the rest. No, this is a typical normal setup. Yeah. So for two reasons, the first reason is to prime the yarn cache, so that every single other step that follows don't have to reinstall everything from scratch. They can put the cache, get the data from the cache. And the second one is just to verify that TypeScript compiles, so that if TypeScript does not compile, it just crash and it just stop the build, and it saves a lot of time in terms of GitHub Actions. So, yeah. So no, it makes total sense to use that. Cool. I'm very happy. So we finished this work, and yay! I don't have much else to cover for today, I think, and it's almost time for me to go feed my daughter. So I would say that that's all for today. If you don't have any questions, have you got any questions for me, folks? Have you? So yay, we can put it back full screen mode. Hello, folks. So yeah, no, thank you very much for joining with my nice stream on my adventure on TypeScript. Might finish here, the adventure on TypeScript. So might be not. Anyway, thank you very much for joining, and see you next time. Bye-bye.